guys, today we will see Apple iPhone 12 Pro review. Okay, so this is Apple iPhone. You can see the icon logo here, and this is iPhone. Basically we have two international model and Gulf model. Under the Gulf model you can see it is written in Arabic, so this is an original Gulf version. Basically Gulf version has the Arabic words written here. If it is an international model, all things will be in English. So when you buy in Gulf, make sure it is in Arabic language written. So this is an original one. Okay, so this is an Apple iPhone 12 Pro. Now let's open the box for review. Guys, this is the Apple iPhone 12. It looks very awesome. It's a silver color one. This is the camera review, and this we have one power USB adapter. The look and feel is awesome, friends. So let's switch on and see it at later stage. So guys, let's switch on and see after some time. So before that we will see what else things are there, as they have one USB adapter is there inside the box, and here one instructions. Along with the instructions we have one Apple logo. This we can stick wherever we require on the Apple iPhone. In case if required, we can just stick it here. And here we have the pin for inserting the SIM. We can use this. So guys, that's it. Inside the box only the USB adapter plus this instruction and the SIM inserter things are there. Now let's try switching on the iPhone. The Apple logo is starting, and here we can choose the language English, and we can choose and start configuring the various settings of the iPhone. So this is the iPhone 12 128 GB model iPhone review. So guys, that's it. This finishes the iPhone 12 phone review. This is a 128 GB, and where we have various other models 128, 256, 512 GB. The prices varies. Here in Gulf, particularly in Oman, it is 402 Riyal, the best price you can get. So make sure it is in Arabic version. So I think you will like the review. You can just go down to a description. There you will find our website www.dmtsale.com. There you have all the configurations and various models of iPhone 12 models. You can choose from that your best choice then before going for the purchase. Thank you guys.